Stop. Look ahead. These aren't just glasses. Meet the Meta Ray-Ban Display AI glasses, powered by the Meta Neural Band. Let's unbox the future AI glasses. First, check out the packaging. Embossed glasses silhouette, premium feel, iconic Ray-Ban motifs. You know you're about to open something special. Inside, you get the Meta Ray-Ban Display AI glasses and the Neural Band wristband. The Neural Band reads your muscle movements, letting you control the glasses with subtle finger gestures. No buttons, no screens. It comes in 3 sizes for a perfect fit. Open the box and you'll find a QR code to download the Meta AI app to set up your glasses, a sleek fold-flat charging case, engineering art you can slip in your pocket, compact charging cable, cleaning cloth for crystal clear lenses, quick start guide, and of course the safety and warranty info. The glasses, classic Wayfarer-inspired style with a modern edge and all-day comfort. Transition lenses adjust to sunlight so you'll never have to swap them out. The battery offers up to 6 hours per charge, 30 hours with the case. Just pop them in to recharge, easy. Next up, the Meta Neural Band box. You'll find the wristband and a magnetic USB-C charger. The band's soft, breathable fabric comes in multiple sizes for all-day comfort. Before we dive into the magic, hit like and subscribe for more Meta Ray-Ban display tips. These glasses show you what matters. Calendar, reminders, weather, stocks. Right inside the lens, controlled with your wristband. The display is private, glanceable, and only appears when you need it. Looking for directions or have a question? Ask your AI assistant and see the answer instantly. No more looking down at your phone. Read and send messages hands-free. See live captions or instant translations and get pop-ups from the AI, all without missing what's happening around you. Stay in the loop with WhatsApp, Reels, Messenger video calls, and more. Two-way and hands-free. Snapping photos and videos is effortless. See a live preview, hint and roll to Zoom with the Neural Band, and share instantly to socials or friends with a tap. No other glasses pack this much. Mics, 6 speakers, cameras, display, Meta AI, live translation, captioning, all in a pair you'll actually want to wear. And this is just the start. Subscribe for tips, tricks, and features. Drop a comment with your favorite feature. See you in the next one.